back to the video. हम तो इसको पॉज नहीं कर सकते. अरे welcome back to the video. Guys, welcome back to the video.
Yes,
Today
guys.
I'm going to play two-player Tycoon 2x 2.0
What is
with my friend. Go in the side one. Go in the side one. Go in the
What
side one.
about Tycoon?
Go in the side. Go in the side. Go in the side.
This one Tycoon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go there. Go there.
Okay.
Yeah, you're Storm God. Yeah. First, get a dropper.
See, bro, I'm shivering.
Get a dropper. Get a dropper. Get a dropper.
Oh my god, bro. I get something that money.
Get a dropper, bro.
I'm
Dropper give you money. Go and get a free dropper. Go and get a free dropper. Go and get a free dropper.
Who
In your
is
area.
this guy?
Kill this guy. Get lost.
Dropper free. Let's go, bro.
Okay, now grind your money. Grind your money.
How?
When you click on that button. And this button. Your own. First get a that button which I'm clicking. No, yours button. Even you have in your side.
Yeah.
You have in your side.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, bro. Both of them.
Let's go. Money.
Money.
How much money do I have?
180. You? I have 200 now. First dropper is 250. First dropper is 250. No, you have to get it when you have enough money. Go and buy one more dropper.
Okay, but how? I can't press anything.
You can.
No, I'm jumping in this one.
You need enough money. You don't have.
Where to see money?
Here over here.
Oh yeah.
Here 250. You can't see.
Okay.
Bro, Sasaki-chan. Who is Sasaki-chan?
I want to kill this. Oh my god, it's too bright to kill me.
Stop! Freak! If she kills me again, I'm going to.
Bro, she again.
Block her!
She again.
Block her!
Okay.
Block her, actually.
Again, she killed
Okay, right.
me. Bro, she's kind of.
Bro, no, everyone is killing us.
Oh my god.
No, why is everyone killing us? Guys, if there's one of you guys, I don't want people like you. If you're killing me, I don't want people like you. If you are killing me, I don't want people like you.
That guy killed me.
Yeah. Oh, bro, report him. Stop.
No, bro.
Stop it.
Oh, I can see a dead body. Okay, bro.
Bro, now I'm done.
Now
I'm done.
Now
I'm getting a wall. I'm buying a wall.
Oh, let's go.
I got a wall so no one can come.
Oh my god, that's killing me.
Yeah, I don't drive. I think so. Someone hit us with a
I'm
car.
using this.
No, yeah. Yeah, buy something. Bro, you have less money, bro.
Let's go.
Why you have so less money? Why you poor?
I'm not poor.
You have
Oh, that cost 500.
500. Bro, stop acting like that. 500.
Okay. I kind of like this sitting back on the Oh, let's go. I got a ball.
545. I got one more dropper.
Good.
Bro, this girl. Fuck.
This girl killed me. Okay, bro.
I said that word.
I shouldn't. Bro, come on. No,
Come on.
kill me.
I hate Sasaki-chan, bro. Wait, I'm the king.
Sasaki? Where is he? That is king.
Sasaki, no, not the king. 750. Should I buy the gears?
Oh god.
Bro, you have how much money cash do you have?
Oh,
How much cash do you have?
killing me.
Can I buy a dropper? Can I buy a dropper for you?
Bro, that killed me. That
Bro,
killed me.
why is the girl killing me
Oh
multiple
my
times?
god.
Bro, we actually need a laser wall.
My game is lagging.
No, game is not lagging.
My game is lagging.
Should I buy a gear or an upgrader?
I wanted a gear.
Oh,
Okay.
should I buy this for 150 Robux only?
Okay, bro, I just have
Okay, I don't have that many Robux. Okay, how
Why
much?
aren't I draw? Okay, bro.
Bro,
This upgrader costs 750.
I have 750. Bro, why can't I upgrade for you? Why can't I help you, bro?
No, bro, you need to buy it. Is this my dad? I guess this is my.
Bro, how much money I have? Bro, I have 1.5k.
Can I collect in this? Okay, bro, I can't collect.
Bro, I got a gear for us. Go and get a gears. Go and get a gears. Come on. Go and get a gears.
I have $70.
Yeah, bro. Where are you? Go and get the gears. Go and get the. It's free. It's free.
Where?
In the, bro, over there. Click on over there.
Where?
Over here. you can get both of them.
Let's go.
You got them? Bro, I'm jumping with the bread.
Let's go, baby.
I wish I had a speed coin.
Okay, yeah. Sweet colors.
Better. Okay.
Can I
Okay.
kill you with this?
Okay, no.
I
Yes,
can't
you
kill you.
you can.
Oh my god, did
You
I
can't
kill
damage teammate. I think so. You can't damage teammate.
Oh yeah, boy. I'm going to kill
I got one more dropper. I'm buying.
Okay, now
Boom.
I'm going.
Boom, boom, boom. I buy so much money. What?
Okay,
I buy so much money.
1.8.
Oh my god. Oh, bro.
Easy peasy.
Bro.
What?
Bro. If I die one more time, I'm seriously saying that word. I'm not family friendly anymore.
Family? Oh, that guy was with rainbow skin.
Bro, I died. Fuck.
Okay, bro, now just drop him in the battle.
Yeah, this is my last game ever. Bro, I say battle swimming.
Okay, bro, I literally have 720 or I don't know.
Um,
790.
I have a
Let's
1 point.
go,
I have 2.9k only. I have 2.9k. What about you?
790.
I'm gonna buy one more walls here for us.
I'm
buying walls for us.
boy.
I'm gonna buy a ladder.
Oh my god, that was there.
Oh hell nah.
Oh my god, I need
Wait,
to
I
keep that for
I can buy laser. I can buy laser for 2000.
Um,
Should I buy laser? Should I buy laser so no one can enter it?
this girl is still.
I think so I should buy laser. No.
I'm not ready.
Bro!
Not ready to kill you.
Bro! Bro!
Again.
Bro!
I want a jumping ball. I want a jumping ball. And a rainbow fight. I don't know what to call it.
Not again,
Oh
not
my
again.
god, I
Not again? Laser! I buy laser for.
falling.
Bro, I buy laser and you buy laser too. 2000 rupees. 2000.
Bro, where is laser?
2000.
2000.
Yeah.
Okay, bro, where? Where did you buy? I want to follow you.
Over there I buy it. Even you won't have a button there.
Is it this guy? How to buy?
I don't know. I buy it for free.
Wait, where did you buy it?
There was a button here.
Can you show me that place?
It was over here. And then a laser just popped.
Laser? What? I died after coming to your base.
Bro, just stay safe here. But can I buy laser for you? Can I buy things for you? Can I buy things for you? Bro, why can't I buy for you? Why can't I buy for you?
Hey, bro, is this mine?
Why can't I buy anything for you? This is cheating. I have so much money.
Yeah.
I am so angry, bro. I have too much money. For the first time, I'm angry.
Hey, I
because I
can't
have
get.
so much money.
Okay, I got
Oh,
it.
why not?
I got too much more.
Bro, how much money you have?
2.8.
Yeah, bro, go and buy a laser.
Where?
Go to your
Okay,
door.
now.
I think so. You can't. You need to do more upgrades. You got to do more upgrades.
Okay.
You're gonna upgrade more things.
Whatever.
Go and upgrade that red thing over there. You can't upgrade that for Robux. Go and upgrade that. And then your last
Let's
dropper.
go.
Then your last wall. Buy a wall, then you can do it. Now get 2k. Now get 2k. Now get 2k.
2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have 7.2k.
I'm talking like flip, I don't know. Okay.
I'm getting the swords. You have 2k. You have 2k. Now.
Oh yeah.
Now go to your entrance.
Money.
Oh, I think so. You've got to upgrade more. Can you see any more upgrades in your area? Yes, there's an upgrade.
Where?
No, go.
Okay, bro. Let me do.
Bro, get your items. Go a little bit side. Go a little bit side.
Which side?
Over here. Buy this ladder. Over here. For 1,500.
Yeah. I think
Now finally you can see the button over here. Now go and check your entrance. No, go and check your entrance. Here there is a button for laser. 2,000.
Okay, bro. Let me just kind of.
You have
Oh.
2,000. You have 2.6. Buy. Let's go.
I don't know.
You have it.
See.
No. Your entrance.
Am I entering?
Laser.
Oh. Both of them are locked.
Yeah, we can go. Only we can go.
Okay, now should I take this one?
Yeah, no.
I can't take this.
You can't. It costs Robux.
Robux?
Yeah, I'm just asking for you to buy. So how much money you have? I'm buying second floor.
795. Oh, this
Only I have
costs
12.2k.
10,000.
Only a 12.2k, bro. I'm buying.
I have 2.3k plus.
I'm getting a second floor.
Second floor, bro. How?
I have enough money.
I don't have any upgrades in my team.
Dropper.
You have any?
Boom. 3,000.
Where are you?
I'm in second floor.
We are in the second floor.
Of my second floor.
How to go in my second floor?
You don't have a second floor. You need money to make a second floor.
Okay.
It costs 2,000.
This was 9.
It costs 2,000. It costs 2,000 to make
I
a
have
second floor.
3.3k plus.
Oh, then go. Bro, you can make a second floor.
Second floor upgrade. Yeah.
Over there.
Over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just step on it.
Yeah, step on it, and I got one super floor. Let me go do something. Okay, 1.3k. That's not bad. Okay, bro. This is
Oh, I have 8.8K.
$2 and we'll be left on. Where is it?
It's 200.
Yeah.
It's 2,000.
2,000 military.
I'm going to second floor.
Oh my
Now
god.
go and buy a dropper at second floor.
2.9k.
Bro, why don't you go and buy a dropper? Go and buy a dropper.
Yeah, in the up. Yeah. That's
Buy a dropper.
it. I fell.
It gives extra money.
Bro, I'm using your just to
Bro.
Wow.
Okay, you can do that.
Yeah, you can do.
3,500.
You can do.
So I'm going to buy
No.
some walls. I'm going to buy one wall. I'll buy one wall. For safety, I'm going to buy walls. 1.0. Oh yeah, that means 1K only.
Yeah, that's
Let's go. Finally, we have safety. No one is coming in.
it. Let's go. No one can come in our.
Yeah, our base. Bro, this is actually kind of fun.
This game is fun.
Yeah, not that bad.
Not even a bit bad.
Yeah, not even very bad. Bro, I think so.
Jam. I'm getting money.
Bro, we should get like trillions and billions.
Damn,
We should get trillions and billions at the end.
the
Oh, should I buy-
richest 24.
24K.
Oh my god.
I have.
That's. Oh, I fell out of my base by this.
Go in again. Go in
Bro,
again.
I need a ball. I need an actual ball. Can I come in? No, bro. And we
You
both
can't
are-
come in.
No, I can't. Okay.
You have to come in from the laser thingy which you buy.
Bro. Oh, this cost Robux.
Yeah, why? I told you, bro. Go in.
Hello, who is this?
Oh, stop calling me.
And what should I call you?
Call me void only.
Okay, boy. Then you call me Frizia, not King.
Oh yeah, because you're not a kid.
And you're not a hacker and everything. Wow.
Bro,
Cash to
what
collect.
do you mean I'm not a hacker? I hack Nishna.
Oh yeah, you have. Well, what do you mean? Okay, I'm not.
Oh no.
Okay, then should I call you Void Hack?
If you're
Void Hack, hello.
okay, whatever. So call me void.
Nah, bro, I'll call you Void. You call me Shiv. Yo.
Okay.
Not Shiv, okay?
Shivans.
How to call it? Okay, bro, I didn't. Oh my
Ranjan.
god. No, bro, don't call me. Sadly. Money.
Bro,
Okay.
it makes me money so fast. Look how fast it makes me money.
Oh my god, bro.
How much money do you have?
1.1k. I'm going to.
Bro, only have 9.9K. I have 10K.
10.
0.1.
Okay, let me wait.
Bro, go to the second floor. Buy, bro. Now go and buy the droppers in the second floor.
Wait, bro, let
Bro,
this
go and buy
go.
droppers in the second floor. Buy droppers will give you extra money.
How much I got? Just 3.6k plus, bro.
Oh, I have 10.1K plus.
Bro, you are uploading it, right?
Yeah, bro. Why won't I?
Why did I fell again?
Wait, should I buy the gears? Bro, I got gears. Bro, I got more gears. I got more gears.
That's cool.
Bro, I got this potion.
Which potion?
Look, this potion.
Oh, you are invisible.
Oh, this even makes me
which
really
color
fast.
you touched me?
Oh.
How did I die?
How did I die? Ah, there's no clothes.
You are wearing no clothes. What?
Oh yeah, I'm ready. Bro, go and-
Rainbow sword.
Bro, just-
Jumping coin. I need to collect. Come to my inventory,
Bro, do you want some cool things?
Like what?
Come up. I'll give you a gun. Come to my base. I'll give you a gun.
Why?
Come to my base. Come
No,
to my
I want
base.
a wall, I want
Come
a-
to my base.
I want a wall.
Come to my base.
I see.
Come to my base. Bro, come to these things. Get it.
Ah.
Can you get
Oh.
the things?
Yes. Oh, I got, but I can't shoot it.
You can shoot it. See?
Okay, my music is off. I can't
Good.
shoot.
Yeah. I'm gonna turn it off too. That's just it would be copyright.
Yeah, I turned the music off. What is this, bro?
Yeah, bro. I don't know.
Hey, what?
But that makes you pink.
What? I don't want to be big. I don't want to be.
Then you have to die. Bro, how much money do you have?
I'm just doing this.
How much money do you have?
I don't know, but
I have 3.6.
oh my god, bro, this is too fast.
I have 3.6k. Only.
I'll go to
Wait,
your
bro.
place and try
Look
to
at this. Look at this.
Go.
9. Look at this, bro.
I
Seriously.
can't.
Look at this in my screen. Look how much money it's made.
Oh my god. And
I have 23,000.
My money.
I have
My cash to
23,000.
collect is too low, bro.
I have 23,000.
I have 12.9k.
Bro, go and buy droppers. Go and buy droppers.
Yeah, that's what I
In your second floor, not first
bro,
floor.
how could droppers be? The dice just said, fall! Let's go!
Bro, I don't have anything. Bro, I'm going to.
Let's go! Now I have a ball. Now I can.
Now I have third floor.
I'm
I'm in third floor. I have a third floor now.
What?
Yeah. Look, I have a third floor.
How?
Look! I am in third floor. Seriously, look.
Yeah, I saw. Okay,
Yeah.
now I just
Oh,
want
why
to
don't you
finish
buy
this.
Why don't you buy a
You know.
third
I
floor?
can't buy. Bro, who likes Uno raise your hand?
Me? I kind of like you.
Well, I kinda don't.
You have face cam or not?
No, I don't.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You do your face reveal at
11 years.
Actually,
That's kind of good thought because we should not do face reveal that kind of fast.
bro, Ujjwal did face reveal at when he started.
Wow. Oh yeah. Wow.
I
Now
don't
I
know
cannot-
who is Ujjwal. I just used to see him when I was a kid. Now I don't
Yeah. You are from America.
see. Whatever. Should I go and upgrade my third floor or second floor?
I guess if
Bro,
you're
you wanna
done
come
with,
to my third
if
floor?
you're done with second floor, then you can do in the third floor.
I'm doing it in my third floor.
Okay,
Bro, it costs 12,000. This first dropper costs 12,000.
Yeah.
Bro, 32,000.
32,000.
Bro, why don't you go?
just use the word thousand?
Yeah, I just said 32,000.
Thousand.
How much money
Now
you
I
made?
cannot
Bro,
fall.
how much money you made? Because I made like.
I have like put at 5 points.
Bro, let me wait for like so much time for
Okay,
this go
bro,
to.
I'm going to buy a yes. Ooh, let's go. Now I can use it.
I'll wait until this thing goes
Why
to
I
30,000.
can't wait? Why I can't use, bro? Why I can't use? This is too. I'm too angry. Why I can't use this?
So what
Laser.
can't you use?
This gun.
You can't.
No.
Because there's no person.
Um.
Let's go, bro. Guess how much cash I have without seeing my screen? 13.7k.
Oh my.
That's not a lot. What do you mean?
That is too much.
Okay, I'm gonna go out and troll other players now. I'm done.
Yeah, you can.
Bro, wanna come?
Money. 7.2k. Bro, I want.
Bro, I can just go to this guy's base.
Now just give me.
LOL, look at this. LOL, this guy has no friends. LOL, I can just go to
But
his
that guy
base.
almost have more than 3 friends. Oh my
I don't know, this guy has a 5
I
floors.
want it.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 floors.
What does this cost?
LOL, girl doesn't have
bro,
friends.
now I'm
LOL, girl doesn't have friends. Girl doesn't have friends. LOL, guys.
Stupid girls.
No, don't say that. Don't say that.
See how much
There
it
are
made.
viewers that are girls.
Yeah, viewers that are girls.
Bro, this guy
Bro, I literally have 7.8.
This guy made
How many?
10 billion. Okay, I'm going.
10 billion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm dead. Oh my god.
How is this going that much fast? My cash.
This
to
Chan
collect-
girl.
Okay, bro, 9.8. I
Okay.
can.
Okay,
Bro,
bro.
I'm going to the stairs.
I just
for
need
the
7,000 now.
Bro, how many? Like, I'm kind of too bored in this.
Guess my
game.
cash now. Without seeing my screen.
Stairs.
Guess my cash now. Guess my cash now.
What is it?
25,000.
20, bro. How are you?
27.
How are you not the richest?
Look. Brother, we just made 114.
The most richest GKX.
Jax Jaffet Jadar. Bro, it's
Just Jaffa Day 3 is the richest 1149k plus.
114k. You don't understand that? Bro, I have 32k finally. I finally have 32k.
32k.
Yeah, look. Look.
Oh my god.
Bro, imagine that was
Okay, bro. I'll just keep
Bro, is this dollars, rupees, or like Hong Kong something? I don't know.
Bro, we are not living in Hong Kong. We are literally, bro, we are literally
Don't
living
tell that.
in
Don't
America.
remember. Okay, whatever.
Okay, I told. Yeah, I told. We are living in America. Bro, do you like America?
Yeah, kind of. This drop only cost 80,000.
This cost 12.
Now let me grind to 18,000 now.
18,000.
I spend all my money on one more dropper.
Bro, this Titan will never end.
No, it's 4 floors.
4 floors.
We'll make a part 2 of this.
Yeah.
When we have like billions.
Yeah, until that, I guess we can make it technology side.
Bro.
No, bro, we are 2 and he's 3. I mean, yeah, we are 2 and he's...
Bro, I finally have 10k.
10k?
So fast.
Bro, after 4... Okay, bro. I literally...
Don't say the time.
I literally buy it.
What?
The floor!
Bro, third floor or second floor?
Third.
Yeah, bro.
Which is the last floor? When I want to end this, bro.
6th floor.
It's too much.
Oh, then it's good. We'll make part 3 also.
Okay, yeah. That's kind of good.
Then the video will be more big. That's good. The more the video is, the better it is. The more viewers will see.
I just got 7.9k plus, bro. That's the worst thing.
Yeah, let's go. I got 18k.
Bro, I want to
let's
check
go have 18k.
I want to check out
18k.
your base.
Bro, okay, your wish.
Yeah, I guess.
Let's go. I hit it 18k. Let's go and have 18k.
Where are you? I can't even see.
And second floor.
Second floor?
Yeah.
Come to the third floor, bro.
Okay, I'll come.
Yeah,
Wait for me.
what happened, bro? Bro,
Bro,
check
why
out my
are you
base.
poorer than me, bro? Actually, why are you poorer than me in this game?
I don't feel I'm feeling bad. Are you feeling bad for me?
Yeah. I wish I could buy things for you.
Damn, this game.
Bro, this is so expensive here.
What
Bro,
is
why
it?
don't you
Bro,
buy
yeah, third floor is actually too much expensive.
How much money do you have?
7.9k.
Bro, get grind 12k.
Oh,
I'm telling you.
bro, this
Bro,
game
why
is-
is your
Let's go! 14.1.
Bro, why is your droppers less expensive?
I don't care.
My cost is 18k
How
for
is
you,
this
12k.
that? Oh, I have 15.6k.
I have 538, 36.
Oh, that's cool. That's
Oh,
cool.
I have 11k now. Like, I have 11. I have 12k.
12k. I guess I have more than you. I have 15.6k.
How much? Okay, I'm going to ground.
You
really-
be like, oh,
Bro. Okay, let me grind.
bro, I can't even find any up. Okay, bro, I'm in second place. So how
Should we end the video? Because we have been playing for long.
Nah, that's not even a bit long for me.
Oh, finally, I'm so close. I'm
Okay,
16k.
3.6k.
16.5k.
16.5k.
17.4k.
I
I'm
have
gonna grind all.
3.6k.
Let me go and prank other kids.
Bro, I hate drop.
Let me go and prank other kids.
Yeah, even I'm coming.
Wait, should I wait also?
If I
Is
can't.
voice chat detected? Voice chat? Voice
Yeah,
chat.
voice chat.
No,
Bro, try to chat me.
Oh, wait, voice chat. Oh, you. Okay,
Bro, try to chat me. Try
go.
to chat me.
Hi.
Bro, try to chat me.
I chatted.
Not my
over
voice chat, voice chat, voice chat.
Bro, my voice chat is disabled in this game. Wait, what? Wait. Wait, you have chat.
No, I can't.
You have.
OMG.
LOL.
Hi.
Can you see me? Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. OMG.
Wait,
hi.
For me, it's showing logged. It's showing for me, it's showing logged.
6, 7, 9.
Sorry, bro, I can't see your messages. It's showing hash. It's showing log. Oh, no, cancel. I don't want to shut down.
Unlocked chat.
I can't see your chat for some reason.
6. Oh no, you just go on your chats.
Yeah, then I see. Hi.
And,
Can I see your name?
why is it showing logged? Unlocked chat. That's the best.
Bro, I have 21. Let me not see my age group. I can't see my age group anymore. I ain't sharing my.
Yo.
Let's go. I am the richest.
Oh my!
Let's go.
Badhayo.
What?
Badhayo.
Who will badayo? Let me go and eat one chocolate.
Oh भाई मेरे
Yeah.
मैं लालची नहीं हूँ
I'll bring two.
बस थोड़ा Okay, bro. I didn't collect money. What kind of guy are you? I didn't got money. Okay.
You want orange or you want copper?
Chocolate pie.
You want copper, gold
Ooh.
copper? Gold or silver?
I want gold, obviously.
I want copper. Yeah, very tasty.
Okay, then give me copper also.
Oh, copper is very easy.
Bro, literal. Bro, our guy is our. Why is he AFK? Guys, what Hackatra is AFK? I didn't hit you. Now, who were you telling poor to? Tell me who were you telling poor to? Who were you telling poor to? Oh my god, this K! 32K! Oh my god, bro, 32K. One dropper is 32K.
What?
Yes, dropper. Dropper is 32K.
Yeah, bro, I buy that already.
You buy that?
I already buy that. I already.
Bro, I can see that king thingy.
I'm still looking for someone else.
Of someone else? Who?
Am I still looking for someone else is looking?
No, you are only the king. Oh my god, 15.9K. I still can't buy. I still can't buy. But, bro, give me. I want that chocolate pie on you. On that. Okay, bro, that's. Ah. See my what that. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Okay, bro, I'm not stuck. Why did I tell that? This it. अरे यार जंप मैं निकल ही नहीं पा रहा वाह ठीक है भाई लेट्स गो माय गॉड लेट्स ओके
You want the lucky chocolate or the unlucky?
लकी चॉकलेट
Bro, how do I record?
Oh no! Your screen recording is off!
Yeah! Wait, it's on.
Huh?
It's on. It's literally on. It's literally on. That's good. Okay. If you guys didn't see the video from starting, hi guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to play what? Okay, two-player Tycoon 2.0. We have been grinding till 3rd floor.
The video ended.
Oh my gosh! No, it didn't end. It's still there.
Oh my god, I thought I
What
would
how much money I have?
76.4. Oh my god!
I'm grinding money.
How to go down? Okay.
Look how fast I'm grinding money.
Even I am grinding money too fast.
How much money do you have?
22.1K.
Oh, that's not bad.
Oh, I can get
I have 80.7K.
3, 2, what?
Look how much money I have.
34. Bro, if now I would be the king, but still you are.
Yeah, I have 80K because.
Lucky.
Well, I'm not spending any money.
80.7K. Wow.
That's less.
How can you tell it less?
I'll grind to 1 million.
Yes. Now who were you telling poor to?
Huh?
No, I'm not telling to you. Who are you telling poor to? Mr. Upgrade. Oh my god, bro. I have 2.4K.
This chocolate is so
Why
good.
am I?
I have 90K now.
Bro, this chocolate is too good.
Yeah, bro, 91K.
I can't even kill someone. I don't know why.
Bro, I have so much money. I have
Wow.
92K.
Huh?
I'm so close to 100K.
Yeah. Lucky. Oh my god, can I kill you? No, I can't kill you. But
Try.
I flied by myself.
Why is that king following me?
No, because you are the king.
Oh, yeah.
Is
He's
that
saying,
you?
no, you can't be the guy. I can't leave you. You are the king. Yeah. Okay, let me go and buy some upgrades.
I'm going to give some money.
Can I buy gears? Should I buy gears?
Yeah, you can. Oh my god. Okay, bro. That's what is too bright.
But and then I'm gonna buy. Bro,
What
it's
are
too expensive.
Huh? Jump.
Is there anyone in the server?
Let me see. Oh yeah, obviously, bro. Yeah.
I thought you were only Ashbot.
Ashbud.
Bro, where? Now 3-1.
16.
You are bro.
No, this is 18. Bro, this
That's
must
someone
be
else is the
1000.
richest, not me anymore.
Okay, bro. Only these much droppers.
Bro, I got.
That's cool.
Bro, look what I got. Bro, I got more items. I got more gears.
Okay.
Bro, go and get my gears. Go and get my gears from third floor.
Bro, fast. This take 1000 years.
Oh, go and get that gear.
Bro, 6 floors have active. Bro, should we make the part 2 right now?
No, bro. But I want to say that go and get the gears from my area. Okay, go
I
and
know
get
I
it.
can't get the gears from your area.
You can. Bro, I'm the richest again.
36 again?
Yeah, bro.
Whoa, that's too cool.
That's not cool.
Yeah, that's actually cool. Okay, 38.0k.
I want one more chocolate actually.
Why?
I don't know.
Actually, even I want to eat. That's
Nah.
too tasty.
Then we'll get after
Well,
some
I
time.
don't want to.
We'll do after one more video. We'll do after this video.
One more video.
Yeah,
How did you get 40.6k? That's too good.
I know. Let me go, bro. Go.
I have 33
Bro, follow me.
I have
Follow me.
33.9.
Follow me. Bro, first get your items. Go and get your items.
Where are you?
Bro.
Yeah, I'm getting
I'm going.
all of my items I could.
Bro, wait for me. We are in second floor, right? You want to get more
No,
items?
yeah, I'm in second floor.
You want this?
What? Where?
A Thor hammer.
Oh yeah, give me.
And one more thing, you want this?
What's that?
I don't know.
Ew,
Oh,
that's-
it rotates around
Can you
me.
give that to me? Where?
Come, follow me.
Hey, it died. I died.
How you died?
I
No,
died.
you didn't die. You can stand up.
Oh, wow.
Come on. Come on, bro.
Do you want a jumping coil?
No. I already have. Get these.
Bro.
Bro, come here.
Which floor is this? Is it fourth
Third floor.
Okay.
Bro, come get these items. Wait, where? Bro, I got
Where
the
did it
items.
go?
Over there.
Okay.
Over here. They're over here.
Oh, that's interesting.
Go and get it.
That's
We'll flip by one more dropper because I have enough money, I guess.
okay. Let me use it. Then.
How much is the dropper? No, actually, this is kind of irritating.
This is with me.
Oh, wait, can I buy fourth floor?
Hello, ball.
Can I buy fourth floor? Wait, bro, third floor
I
is the most.
can't even, bro. This
Third
one-
floor is the most. You, bro.
Let's
can't
go.
buy more
We can
floors.
make more videos.
We can't make more videos.
Oh yeah, we can.
Rest in peace.
R.I.P.
Wait, bro.
Oh
why-
yeah, we can't make fourth.
But why do people have fourth? Yeah, people have fourth.
What?
Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why do people have fourth floor? Wait, what is attack dogs?
Huh?
What is attack dogs?
I have
369 Robux. What does that do? Oh, should we end the video?
No, I'm playing.
But you already won.
I just win.
I won already. Let's see how much money I grinded. But look how much money I grinded.
How much?
Look. I grinded 29,000. Oh my god.
I'm the king!
What do you mean you're the king?
Far. That's too far. That's far moment. Bro, yeah, I can remember that moment when that guy told far.
Father is far. Lol. Bro, I have 76.1k.
I got a roof in my.
Bro, you are like, oh my gosh, I'm the richest. Like, oh my gosh, I'm the richest. Then you are like, far.
No, I'm not.
Then I was the richest. Bro, you wanna be the richest guy? So where do I spend my money? Bro, I wanna spend my money.
Now I'm thinking far.
Oh, you're the richest again?
No,
I thought you were the richest. Bro, why can't we play anymore? This game is so small.
this game is too bad.
Yeah, bro, we can't play anymore. Why can't we play? Wait, we can. No, bro, go and buy your gears.
I hate this game.
Go and buy these gears in your floor.
Array, this Robux stupid.
But go to third floor, come to third floor,
Yes, hello.
and go and buy your gears. Go and go to gears.
I have 12.
Go and
I'm going to grind some money.
I have more money than you, right?
Yeah.
You're like, no, I'm the richest. Then I was the richest. Storm God.
Storm God, yeah.
Your name is still Storm God.
No, my name is Shivi King.
It's still showing somewhat.
Okay.
Bro, what shall we play next?
What just happened?
What?
Okay, I haven't drank that person.
Oh, why are you ranking that potion? It makes you faster. I mean,
Yeah,
I never use this.
I want the laser.
Bro, let's go. Okay, bro, I'm so close to 100k again.
100k?
Yeah.
Okay, we are
94. Bro, I'm gonna go out for some time.
I have 22.0k. Wow, that's nothing.
Bro, just play Trillionaire Tycoon after this video.
What?
Trillionaire Tycoon.
Trillion? No, bro. I now that's why I hate Titans because we always need to do this, that.
Yeah, that's fun. That's fun.
That's not fun.
When I was a kid, I always used to play these games.
No, but I don't like.
My gosh, wait, let me kill kids. But no,
Kids, you kill kids.
Yeah.
I was playing that Would You Rather game, but
Oh, this
and
Tycoon.
I got Save the Cookies, not Save the Kids.
Bro, you dumb.
Yes.
Bro, babies are humans. Bro, if you were a baby, you would be. Bro, if you were a baby, what would you do?
I would save obviously the babies,
Then why did you save?
but because I'm not a baby right now.
Um,
I'm a teenager.
Yeah, bro, you're not a teenager.
Yeah, like,
Bro, I thought someone else was the king anymore. Bro, let's see how much I did. Bro, 3 to 1. I have more than 100k.
107.2k.
108.
My sword sucks.
Bro, why?
Bro, my sword sucks.
Oh, why did you grind your money? You have like 10,000 grinding. Which? Oh, why did you buy
Bro,
more
where
droppers?
are you? Then?
Bro, I'm the first floor.
First floor, hi.
Bro, why don't you go and buy your last droppers?
Let's go. 37.
Bro, how much money you have?
K.
37?
0.7k.
Oh, so why don't you come here? Bro, why don't you buy all your droppers? Wait, you did all.
Bro, is this done? Is this
Yeah,
done?
Yeah, we're done. We won. Bro, wait,
No,
you
no,
made
no, I
fourth
need
floor.
to buy the gas.
Yeah, that's what.
This is the last thing, guys.
Wait, you did. No, you did. Oh, yeah, you did.
Yeah, the gas.
Bye.
Okay,
bro.
Our is done.
Okay,
Wow,
bro. After
is
this,
done.
I'm playing Trillionaire Tycoon.
Nah, bro,
If you are not playing, I'll play alone.
Now, for
I'll
me,
play alone.
no, bro, now I don't like.
Okay, let's end the video. Come on. Hi, bro. Go side of me.
Bro,
Stop
are you
ending the video.
done? Are you done?
Yeah, we're ending the
guys,
video.
bye-bye.
Okay, guys. See you at another video. Till then.
Till then,
Bye.